Very good morning. My dear students, myself Sanjay sir, welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Academy Bethiam. As you know that we have started online classes where we are providing materials for your better future and for your development, all-round development. As you know that we are facing a lot of problems due to corona, so I hope that you are safe, quite safe at your home with your family members. Myself, a teacher of English language and literature, I have started class 9 English, the lesson entitled The Adventures of Toto by Ruskin Bond, a great inspirer for children by his provoking and meaningful thoughts. We have come to know the monkey, namely Toto, just was there with a tanga driver, and it attracted the attention of Ruskin's grandfather, who loved animals very much, and that is why he has his private zoo at home. Toto was taken, but it was kept secretly because the grandmother of the family was not in position to support and was not in position to welcome any new animal going to be added to private zoo. Anyway, it was added and it was made permanent member of the private zoo, but some mishappening, some disturbance created by Toto made grandfather to think and to take decision to sell it back to the tanga driver. The grandfather was the head of a middle class family, although he was a pension holder, but he was not in position to bear all the frequent losses caused by Toto, who was impressed by his natural way of living. Anyway, it was sold, but until unless it was there, it never showed any disturbance whenever there was grandfather with him. Now, the lesson that has been a great moral values for us is that we have to love animals because animals also need our love and they respond in same way, same manner as the monkey was going to respond. The lesson also teaches us a great value of animals in making our surroundings live and developed. We should not forget that animals are not the things to be neglected again and again. They should be taken care of, they should be loved, and they should be inspired by our good activities. Students, now we are moving towards the question answers of the lesson. The first question might be Toto was not Toto was not a sort of pet we could keep for a long time. Once again, I am going to repeat it. Toto was not a sort of pet we could keep for a long time. Students, the answer is very much clear, very much simple. I made it twice and thrice while I was going through the lesson. Monkey Toto was bought by grandfather, and grandfather tried all his best to keep it as a permanent member of his private zoo. But what happened in the beginning? The ornamental papers were torn into pieces. The blazer of Ruskin Bond was also torn into pieces. The peaceful and domestic atmosphere of private zoo was also disturbed by Toto. Toto also disturbed the domestic atmosphere inside the house, took the dish of pulao, threw the plate upon the grandmother, threw a glass of water around the face of one aunt, and ultimately it climbed up a tree from where he also threw the plate that was broken into pieces. It also created a sense of disturbance when it was taken to Saharanpur exactly at the time of what? Passing out from the station. The grandfather was forced to pay a fine for a reasonable sum. So all these reasons may be explained while we are trying to answer the question number one. Toto was not a sort of pet we could keep for a long time. Although this question may be asked to be written to be answered for 4 or 5 lines, it will be a long type of question. I have given you different points which may be helpful in making your answer beautiful, impressive, and narrative. Now move to second question. Why was Toto sold back to Tonga driver? The second question I am repeating again, it is there. Why was Toto sold back to the Tonga driver? The answer is very much clear. Grandfather, coming from middle class family, was not in position to bear all the disturbance, all the losses caused by Toto, and he couldn't bear it again and again. So, considering all the losses I have explained while I was explaining the answer for question number 1, so you have to take some suitable points from that question, from that answer, and you have to add your talent, your beauty in making your answer for question number 2. You have to write that the grandfather was not in position to bear all the losses caused by Toto for no reason, for no cause. It was only done by Toto due to his natural nature. Now, question number 3 is that why, who broke the dish and how? This question needs your attention. This question wants to take you to the place where there was a table, and on that table a dish full of pulao was kept. The grandmother was somewhere else, nobody was there. Toto went there and started enjoying with the grains of pulao. Grandmother came and started scolding Toto. Toto couldn't bear it. Toto couldn't make it clear and threw another plate upon grandmother. Luckily she was served. Again a glass full of water was thrown around the face of another aunt. When the grandfather came, Toto made his way through the window and went there to climb up a jackfruit tree. He remained there till afternoon, ate all the pulao one by one, and ultimately he threw the plate from that place, from that branch of jackfruit tree, and the jackfruit tree was now just making his rest very comfortable there, but the plate was thrown from there, and ultimately the plate was broken into pieces. Why was it broken? The reason is that the Toto was deeply influenced by his natural habits, and monkey is known for that kind of disturbance, that kind of naughty action. So he was not out of his natural traits, he was not out of his natural habits, and ultimately he threw the plate not with any intention, rather it was his integral part of his natural habit, natural life. Next question is that narrate the incident when Toto was taken to Saharanpur. As you know that the grandfather took Toto to Saharanpur only for the safety, and he never wanted till that moment that the arrival of Toto should be made clear to all the members of the family. So a beautiful stone bag was made and Toto was taken to Saharanpur, where the grandfather had gone to draw his pension, take his pension. That was his monthly routine to be there. Throughout the journey, this monkey never made any disturbance, never created any disturbance. But when it was there at the exit of Saharanpur railway station, it made his presence through the hole that was made for supply of oxygen, and it was considered by the ticket collector that it was a four-footed animal, and the grandfather was forced to pay fine thereof. So I hope, my dear students, you will write all the questions in your copy. Whenever we are meeting again after the lockdown is over, your copies will be corrected. Thank you. Rest in next.